When working on a Google Doc, iMessage, email, basically anything with text on your iPad, you may find the need to copy and paste. Who wants to retype the content? No one. So how can you achieve this? With just a few taps. See a word, place and hold your finger on top of the word. When you release your finger, a menu will appear just above the word. Tap Copy. Return to the app where the text needs to be placed. Tap on the screen, then tap Paste. But who needs just one word? Can you copy a sentence or paragraph? Of course. Locate the text you would like to copy. If I need the entire paragraph included in my notes, I'm going to start with the same steps. I'm going to tap and hold the word within the paragraph. Then release my finger. The menu will appear as we saw before. Instead of tapping Copy this time, I'm going to use the blue sliders on the edge of the word. You will see that you have 2 lines on each side of the word. Tapping, holding, and dragging these lines will allow you to select the text you would like to copy. As you begin to stretch the copy box, you will also notice the lines turn into dots, and now you have some above and below the blue box. With this feature, you can drag the copy box up or down to include multiple paragraphs. Once all the text you need copied is highlighted in blue, tap Copy. Return to the app where the text needs to be placed. Tap on the screen, then tap Paste. If you need to cite the source, return back to the web page. Tap the address bar once, then tap the address. Select Copy from the menu. Return to the app to paste the text. Tap the screen, then tap and select Paste from the menu. You are now able to copy and paste text using your iPad.